Bombastic side eye.
I'm going nuts. I'm scared. What if I die on the ride?
See? That was easy. It's like I always say, when it comes to good parenting, you have to be fair but firm. You just show him that you mean business, and he's out of bed again, isn't he?
Okay, so we're gonna go pack some food, refill my bottle with lemonade, and then get ready. Anyways.
Child. Anyway, so
I just checked the time and I noticed that I'm late. So I'm gonna be going to school right now, and my puka bear is gonna be over there, hopefully. I already packed our food. I have money, my AirPod, which I have on right now, and then we could go. So I'll see you guys when I'm at school with my puka bear. We're in the bus. We're in the bus, guys.
Yes, I have rice snacks in my stomach, y'all. I'm pregnant.
Hi. Ethan, get up. Let's go. We're going in there. We're gonna have fun, right?
Yes, and I'm gonna make you go on the ride.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Watch, I'm gonna take a picture of you, and you're gonna be a witness.
Okay, bye.
I'm getting active too.
Cover the camera.
I gave you this candy.
I want it now.
Look, it's Allison.
Where?
She's right there.
My puka bear. Allison, say hi. We're gonna. You wanna listen to music? We're listening to SZA. Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay, bye. Bye. Guys, we're here.
We're here.
I don't know if you guys can see. We're here, you guys. Love that.
Just ignore that, guys.
Look, guys, can you see the ride? Look, guys, it's right there.
It's right there, y'all.
Right
there.
Right there.
That's what Yes is gonna go on.
Absolutely not.
Yes,
I'm not going on that.
Yes.
Say hi, guys. Talkies. Oh my god, why is it so? Oh, there you go.
Still, the skin difference.
Okay, we'll see you guys when we're inside. Damn, they're tall. They're tall.
Bougie ass buzz. Look at that buzz. That shit bougie. The white one.
Okay. Fancy.
Ooh, this is nice.
Got some money.
Hey, guys.
We're here, you guys. We're walking in. I'm scared. I had to throw away my chips because supposedly we can't bring food. Also, I'm just drinking my lemonade right now.
Oh, we'll give y'all updates if I had to throw my shit.
Oh yeah, Nelly is pretending to be pregnant-ish. Scared. Okay, anyways, we'll see if Nelly is able to bring in her food.
We'll give y'all updates.
Updates, y'all. You guys, we did it. We did it, y'all.
Wait, no.
Turn around, like turn sideways.
Yeah, bro, you should have kept your chips.
I should have, bro. I threw my chips for nothing.
Hey, YouTube.
Say hi.
Hey, YouTube.
Hey.
How many subscribers do we
Evelyn,
have?
say hi. Evelyn, say hi now.
1 million.
We have 1 million subscribers.
How many rides are we?
Say cheese. Go cheese.
I got this. Yeah.
From the. You guys got this. Y'all got this.
Welcome to the
Hello.
rest of your day is not
Love that for them.
I can never.
Okay guys, so I'm currently here waiting for them to go on the ride. I'm here by myself because I'm low-key scared and I'm being a little pussy right now. Y'all should see how many bags I have on me, girl. I have one, I have my own, I have this one, and then I have this white one. Oh, look at that. Say cheese! Oh, hell no. They're going on that big ass truck. I'm trying to right on it. Oh, hell no. They're living on the big ass. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I wonder what happens at the end. I wonder if they scream. Oh, no, they're right there. There you go. I don't know if I can go on that one, guys. Actually, I changed my mind. They have so much power. I can never. Then they come out this way. There they are. Oh, hell no, they want me to go on it. I think they love it. Anyways, I'll see them right here when they come out. So I'm waiting for them to get off this other ride called Jaguar. My lips are getting hella chapped. I'm gonna go on another ride. On a different ride. I'm low-key scared. I don't think I'm ready for it. I'm going on this one. Absolutely not. I'll record when they're on it. Bro, I'm waiting for them to come out, but they're taking too long. And then... Oh, there you go. There they are. Oh, hell no. Nelly is about to go on her really fast ride, the one that's red right there. She's going on that one. Waiting for these dorks to come out. Like this, absolutely fucking not. Maybe those teacup rides. Oh, they're not teacups, they're like salsa bags. Oh, look at them. Why do you want to do this shit? What happened?
Good, bro. Let's go that one. I'm gonna go on it again. Okay. Let's go. Did you hear me screaming like, yeah?
I heard you guys scream my name. I was like, oh, I love that.
I was like, yes! Get me off this shit.
Was it fun though? Did you like it?
I liked it. It was really fun. I was just being dramatic.
Oh, so it wasn't really that bad then?
No.
I love that.
You should go on it. It's like really, actually, I'm scared.
I don't know. Love that. This is Nelly's on this one.
Yeah!
Oh, hell no.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
I'm just excited. Like,
I'm like, yeah,
got
yeah.
that. Yeah, got that. Yeah. I have to leave it. Yeah.
Oh my god, there's brain.
I got this.
Oh my god, I can never.
You're higher.
I want it to go all the way around. Are you going there? The guy passed out! Huh? The guy right there! can't. Get out.
Yeah.
How was that? How was
That
it?
shit was fun.
Was it fun?
10 out of 10.
I should recording here. Oh, is there a name on here? Probably not. My name's unique. Jocelyn's here. Jocelyn, if you're watching the video, this is for you.
JJ.
Where?
Look, JJ right
JJ,
here.
look, that's you too, JJ. Oh my god, you guys are together. Love that. Oh, I'm buying this one for me. They don't have my name. Bro, I need to get this actually. I'm gonna get you this one, Lily. Because you're a princess. Oh my god, earrings! Bro, this one looks kind of scary though. Me side-eyeing people? Side-eye? Side-eye, side-eye. No side-eye. Actually, let me put it on. Is it cute? Oh my god, this is so cute.
There.
Love that.
Oh, $33.
Put it back now.
$27.
How much, Nelly?
$27.
Is the design cute? Oh, it's $30. That's not
$30.
the bubble one.
Oh, that's nothing. Oh my smell. It smells like it smells like my grandma's house.
You know what? Let's get out the store.
Yeah, let's get out.
Is red cold?
Coaster.
Coaster? I'm supposed to ride it? Bro, it just started fucking smoking right now. See, this is a sign from God. God knew. Wait, it's not the train.
Oh, it's
Look at the ducks, you guys. That's me in a different life. Say hell no. Say
hell no.
Say hell no.
Hell no.
Say hell no.
Hell no.
Oh, bro. Nelly, say
Don't be suspicious. That's me. We look like twins. Oh hell no.
insurance. She crashed my car, ma'am. I still, Evelyn, if you're watching, your car insurance, ma'am. Your car insurance. Guys, we had a fun time, but it's time for us to go. Say bye. This is the end of the vlog.
Bye y'all.